Hi guys, today I will show you how to clear your recently accessed files in Windows File Explorer. So as you can see here, I have a number of files that I have recently accessed. Now if I want to clear just individually, so I select the file that I'd like to clear. So for example, it's this one. I go right click, and where it says remove from recent, I select that one. And as you can see, it's disappeared from this list. Now if I want to clear everything, what you need to do is you click here, the three buttons, the ellipsis, so select that one, and you go into options. This screen would pop up, and where it says Clear File Explorer History, you select that one, click Clear, and you go OK. And if I close this, and I go open it up again, as you can see, my recent folder is now empty. If I want to disable that permanently, so I don't want any files appearing here in the future, I go back to the same option. So click on the three dots or ellipsis, click on options, and in this window where it says show recently used files, I can untick that one to disable it. And if I want to disable the other options, so show frequently used folder, I can disable that as well. Similarly with show files from office.com. So I go apply. In this case, I want to disable all three and I go OK. So in the future, those will not appear in my recently accessed files and folders. So thank you for watching. See you on the next video.